So here's a video that I never thought I would be making, and that's on the Balenciaga Speed Trainer, simply because I never thought this was a shoe that would suit me and my personal style. But look, hear me out. My best friend recently got these shoes at the outlet, the Balenciaga outlet, for $6.79 versus $10.50 Canadian, and she lent them to me because her and my other best friend are just raving about how comfortable these shoes are and how they want to wear them with everything. So she lent them to me just with the intention of trying them on and seeing if this is the kind of shoe that would fit with my personal style, and I ended up making a video out of it. So let's get into a review, and then we're going to style them as we usually do, and I'm going to tell you what I think about the Balenciaga Speed Trainers at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching. There are so many color combinations of the Balenciaga Speed Trainers, but the pair that she picked up with the black uppers and then that neon greeny yellow sole at the bottom are just spectacular. I have an absolute love for neon yellow and neon green, as you can tell from the table that they're sitting on. If I was to pick up a pair of these shoes, they would definitely be in this color combo. I've seen some others that are pretty cool too, but none have really spoken to me as much as this pair has. You have that jersey stretchy top, which makes it fabulous for wearing a comfortable shoe, especially if you're walking all day long. The rubber soles have a little bit of a platform, so it kind of gives you lift and support. In regards to the size, she is a size 38 usually, and she did pick up a size 38 in the Speed Trainers. I'm a size 7, so of course they're not going to fit me 100% as they do her, but for the sake of this video, I think they do the trick. There's like absolutely no need to break these in, so you could just wear them straight out of the box and know that you're going to be very comfortable with a pair of Speed Trainers. Of course, a shoe like this is ridiculously expensive, and like I said, the normal retail is about $10.50. Because she picked these up at the Balenciaga outlet at Toronto Premium Outlets, she ended up paying about $6.70, so not bad for a trend shoe, and I know that she's really happy with the pair that she scored. When it came to styling this shoe, I was having a bit of a hard time just because I normally gravitate towards more of a retro style sneaker. These ones are more contemporary and my style is very contemporary, so it just felt like it didn't have enough of a balance of everything. But I did come up with some outfits that I'm very happy with. For this look, I'm wearing a pair of trousers and a padded shoulder denim jacket, of course the city bag with the spikes, and a pair of Balenciaga sunglasses. So this next look is something that I would wear on the weekend if I'm doing something casual, if I'm going plant shopping, which is one of my favorite things to do in the summer. But I am wearing a Reformation jumpsuit. This one is very soft and I love how it balances off the Speed Trainer. I'm wearing a Balenciaga t-shirt underneath, my Balenciaga wallet on a chain, Balenciaga tote, and Balenciaga sunglasses. I know, it's a lot. Moving into the next look, I was actually inspired by the Balenciaga runway, and I saw the model wearing a shirt kind of like a crisscross way, and at least that's what it reminded me of. So I wanted to take a black cotton shirt that I have from Uniqlo and style it in a similar manner. I think she was wearing a pair of, what are those shoes called? Oh my gosh, the Knife Mules. But I'm of course wearing the Speed Trainers, and I have my little Balenciaga wallet, Balenciaga sunglasses, and Julia Vaughn chain. So this is kind of a Balenciaga inspired look with the pieces that I already own, and I love how this looks. It's casual but very chic. For the next look, I was inspired by another Balenciaga runway look, and this is with a pair of Everlane leggings. The oversized jacket is from the Frankie shop, and then I'm wearing a Uniqlo button-up underneath. The tote bag is the Bazaar tote from Balenciaga, and I don't think they make these anymore, which is too bad because I love the shopper totes so much. But I'm obsessed with this look. If I had Speed Trainers, I would totally rock this all of the time. This next look is another casual one, and I'm somebody who feels very comfortable and very much myself when I'm wearing casual things. However, I don't like them to look boring, so I like to play around with proportions and different layers just to get a more interesting look. I'm wearing the same leggings as before, and I've taken my denim jacket from Balenciaga and I've just tied it around my waist to just kind of play around with the proportions a bit. The shirt is from Remain, and it has these amazing removable padded shoulders. So I just love creating a strong silhouette on top and then just having the bottom be streamlined. I am wearing that spike city bag again, and I love how this looks. It's very casual, perfect for the weekend, grocery shopping, or just going to the farmer's market. So this next look, we're going into another casual casual piece, but I'm wearing that denim Balenciaga swing jacket as a swing jacket here, taking advantage of that fun shape that it creates. My dress is from the Frankie shop, and then the tote bag is also another Balenciaga one that I did pick up at the outlet. But yeah, another very casual outfit, and I think it looks great with the speed trainers. I never would have thought to put this together. The next look is going to be a more dressed up version of the previous outfit. So we're going with the Frankie shop blazer from before. I'm keeping those Balenciaga sunglasses because they are phenomenal. And then I'm going to be wearing a shoulder bag from Balenciaga. I picked up this one on lxrcode.com, and I do have a discount code. If you're interested in buying pre-loved, then you can definitely check out my code NatalieM20 for 20% off. It works on everything off the website except for home goods and Chanel and Hermes Birkin bags. So check it out if you're looking to add a new Balenciaga bag to your collection. For this next look, I want to push the style of the Balenciaga speed trainers a little bit and dress them up and really see whether or not it actually passed the test. So I'm wearing this Dynasty skirt from Balenciaga. The tank is from the Frankie shop. It's that padded one. Again, I'm obsessed with padded shoulder everything right now. And then the big gold chain, which is absolutely stunning, is from Julia Vaughn. I am going to link her jewelry down below because everything she does is phenomenal. And the little wallet that I have here is from Balenciaga as well. But yeah, I think this is a great outfit. Moving into some casual outfits and some summer appropriate outfits. Here I'm wearing a pair of boxer style shorts from Frankie shop. I've got my oversized Balenciaga logo shirt. I've got just a simple white tank from Wardrobe NYC underneath. And I'm going back to that Balenciaga shopper, the Bazaar shopper tote from the previous collections. This one is in full leather, by the way. And for the last two looks, we're just going to change up the shirt because I think that the speed trainers look amazing with a pair of shorts. For this one, I'm wearing a Reformation shirt dress, open and more styled like an oversized shirt. And then for the other look, I'm wearing a swing shirt from Balenciaga, and I recently picked that one up at the outlet as well. But my overall thoughts on the speed trainers are, they are great shoes. They are very comfortable. I felt like I was walking on little clouds as I was shooting this video. Would I buy them for myself? Most likely not, simply because I think the price point is quite high, and if you're going to be spending that much money on a pair of shoes, you have to love them. Plain and simple, you just have to love them. Otherwise, you're going to regret spending that money. I just don't know if I would reach for the speed trainer as often as I do for my simple white shoes, for a pair of New Balance, for even my Gucci screener sneakers, because again, I love myself a nice retro shoe. But yeah, great shoes overall. I think they are super cool. If I found them on a deep discount, I would definitely pick up a pair for myself, but I don't think that $680 is discounted enough in my opinion, but to each their own, right? So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. If you did enjoy this, give this video a thumbs up, a like, leave me a comment. Let me know, do you have the speed trainers? Would you buy them? Would you wear them? Did you like my outfits? That's everything for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.